Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to make a list on X. So first of all, of course, open X application on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this side menu you want to find Lists section. And now in the bottom right corner of your screen, let's tap this icon which represents option to start a new list. And now you can create your list. So first of all, let's upload a photo from my gallery to my list. Also, I can adjust specific position of the photo like this. Then of course I can give my list a name. Optional, but you can do that. You can add your description to your list. And also you can decide whether you want your list to be private or public. So if you turn this feature on, then your list will be private, and if you turn this off, then your list will be public and everyone can see it. Let's tap create button in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now in this step 2, you can add members or users to your list. So you can use search bar at the very top of your screen to find specific users on X that you want to add to your list. Or also you can use this suggestions, and you want to tap add button next to each profile. So when you have finished adding your members to your list, you want to tap done button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and boom, here is your list. Also you can access it, for example, if you are in your feed, you want to tap your profile picture in the top left and go to lists section, and under the tab your lists you will see all of your lists. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.